Hello kids, today let us start our second chapter, words and their meaning. So by reading that words we want to try to tell the meaning. What does that word mean? Okay, so let us start our meanings, how to find the meanings. If you see the first one, can you see? Then example is given, a person, a picture, you can see crying. So cry, the other word is weep. Weep means to cry. Begin, the first one, begin. What is the meaning of begin? We are going to begin our class. So, what is the exact meaning for begin? I think that you know the answer. Try to take the correct one. Is it to start, middle, end, or put? The second one, benefit. So, we are going to get benefit when we go to a shop if we are buying something. So it is for 10 rupees, but we bought it only for 5 rupees. So 5 rupees extra we are getting. So we are saving our amount. So what we are going to get? We are getting loss, figure, profit, or watch. What is the exact word for benefit? Try to take the correct answer. Ache, headache, we say headache, stomach ache. What is ache? What does it mean? Does it mean to laugh, pain, big, or slow? Check the answer. Final, see, we can see that after the completion of everything, finally we give the marks. After the match or something, after completion of that, finally they announce the winner. So it will be at the ending. Final, we can say at the ending of that. So what is the correct meaning for that? Is it list? Is it last? Is it slow or move? Take the correct answer. Now, fifth one, harm, H-A-R-M, harm. Harm in the sense, see, we are going to harm others just by beating them with some stone or with a stick or something. Then they will get pain. So, we are harming others. So, you fell down. So, what will happen to you? So, basing on that, you can check your options. Is it getting luck, hurt, catapult, or visit? Catapult. What is this catapult? Catapult means it is a Y type stick, small stick which is having a rubber, and while monkeys or some other comes, we use it for throwing the stones. That is called as catapult. Okay. So basing on that, you can take the correct answer. Innocent. A person really very innocent. They don't know what to do. According to their mind, they don't have any bad thing in their minds. They will be always having a very good thing. They will think. So we can say what? Are they pure? Are they bad? Are they angry? Or they wise? Wise means having more and more knowledge. We can say wise. So according to that, what is innocent? So in their mind, they don't have anything. Then we say any bad thinking. So we say them as innocent. Path. What is path? Path is we walk along the footpath. Okay, so we walk on the road or something. So we can say the path. Path means, is it a building? Is it a way? Is it home or go? Now basing on that, you complete your seventh answer. Purchase. We go to shop to purchase many things. What is the meaning of purchase? I think you know that. Is it to sell, to take, to spend, or to buy? We go to shop. What do you do there? We purchase the things. Now ninth one, repeat. So I am repeating everything I am reading and repeating for you. So what does it mean? Does it mean to copy, come, arrive, or late? Okay, just read the options and basing on that you can take the correct answer. Soiled. Say a child going out and putting everything on his body and everything. He is keeping the soil. So you can say he is soiled. So what can we say according to that? Can we say he is clean, smell, dirty, or party? Okay, according to that you can take your answer. Remove. We are removing everything. Whatever it is not necessary, everything we can remove it. So what do you do? Even in mobiles we remove everything which are not necessary, more space they are occupying. So what is the meaning of it? A, is it delete? Is it B, learn? C, add? Or D, place? Okay, now 12th one, victory. What do you mean by victory? So normally when we are participating in something and we came first, then they say it's our victory. Okay, So what is it? The meaning, is it loss? Is it proof? Is it win or watch? Now coming to third one, help. Normally we help. Even the doctors and others, everyone are going to help us. Okay, what does it mean? Does it mean to harm? Does it mean to stop, aid or block? Just tick the correct answer. Giant. What is the meaning of giant? A person. If you see he is a toy car and real car, then we can say the real car is giant and the toy car is very small. It's very small. So what is giant? Comparing with small and the toy car and the real car, we say the real car is giant. Yeah, 15th one, solid. What is the meaning of solid? By seeing some person or anyone, those who are having more and more muscles and everything, by seeing them we can say he is a solid person. So what can we say basing on that explanation? Just think it over, whether it is soft, whether small, slight or strong. So take the correct answer. Quick. So normally we do any work very quickly. If they do, they are not doing slow, then we say quick. He works very quick. So idle. Idle means sitting single. Lazy, a person who doesn't do any work, we say lazy. Inactive. Inactive in the sense they are not always active. Okay, hurried. Hurried means in hurry. Normally we run in hurry to school when we are late. Hurry. So basing on these 4 options, you take the correct answer for quick. Charm. Charm, when someone is pretty looking, they dressed very well, we say they are charm. So basing on that, can you tell the answer? Is it beauty, chide, bore, ugliness? Chide means we are discouraging, we are scolding someone. Then we say chide, C-H-I-D-E, chide means scolding the other person. Follow. Normally we follow others. Yes, go back of them. We run back of them. So what do you call it? Is it ignore, chase, fight or defer? So tick the correct answer. Now see page number 9, 19th question. Kind. What do you mean by kind? So always be kind towards others. We want to help others. We must think about others. So what is that? Can we say generous, cold, hard, rude? Rude means we are talking to them very seriously or shouting at them, then we can say that we are in a rude behavior. So try to find the correct answer and tick the correct answer. Excite. If you see the 20, when we see something very new or something very wonderful, then we have a feeling of excitement. So what do you call it? Is it thrill, cool, quiet or calm? Tick the correct answer. Collect. 21 is collect. So we collect. When we have something, when we go to some places, we try to take some new things. Even if we go to sea, we collect the shells there. Okay, so what do you mean by collecting? All whatever are there, we just take them, we can keep them in some place, then we say it as collect. So what is the answer? Is it give, spread, gather or inspire? So tick the correct answer. Sharp. What do you mean by the sharp? Did you ever see the sharp things like knife, blade and everything? Even you sharp your pencil. So what does it mean? Does it mean dull, low, pointed or flat? So basing on this, you can tick the correct answer. Silent. 23, you can see silent. Normally we make it silent or something being silent. Even if you see the remote control, we use the remote control to make the voice silent in our TV. So basing on that, you can tick the correct answer. It is pressure. Is it mute? Is it loud or care? Tick the correct option. Dig. 24, dig. So normally we dig a hole or something. We dig in the ground to plant or something. So what is mean by digging? Is it to fill? Is it to reap? Is it to sow? Or is it to plough? Okay, so tick the correct answer. Gentle. 25th. What is the meaning of gentle? Gentle means it's not, we can say, it's not too hard or too strong. So we touch very gently, smooth things or something, gently touch it. So that small children, we touch them very gentle. So even whatever is there, it's attached which can be very gentle, we can say. Okay, basing on that you can try the options. Cruel, mean. Mean means someone who thinks that everything he only want and he doesn't share with others. We say that mean. Rough and mild. So tick the correct answer. Attach. So what is mean attach? No, we attach some papers, we attach something to other thing, that we call it as attach. So options: see, join, lose, reach. Now tick the correct answer. Hear. So we hear by using our ears. So what do you mean by that? Is it listen, avoid, dare, or forget? Now check the options 28. Dark. You might be seeing the dark. So dark colors or dark something. How it will be when it is dark in the night? Is it sunny? Is it clear, day, or black? Pick the correct answer. Little. Little things, little ones, small children, we call them as they are very little. So basing on that you can say, is it old, big, young, or long? Now 30. Hold. Something we are taking to our hand and we are holding, we take it in our hand. So what do you say? Whatever we hold, even the bikes and everything, we have something to hold. So check the answers. Is it loose, sink, grip, or let go? Tick the correct answer. Now see the options. Choose the correct meaning of the given word, the achiever section. First one, destroy. So destroy, we are going to destroy something. So what does it mean? Does it mean assist, damage, repair, or build? Cunning. A person who is cunning will always try to cheat others. So what do you say? Cheating others and everything. That person, what do we call him? Can we say lovely, shy, tricky, or stupid? Playing tricks. Tricky means those who play tricks on others. We call the word as tricky. Now 33. Grateful. So we'll be very grateful to persons when they help us in something. So what do you say? Can we say reason, sorry, mean, or thankful? Now 34. Interesting. When do we feel very interesting? So we do something, everything. So then we go to them, we try to ask something, to collect the information on something. So what can we say? Is it appealing, normal, ordinary, or boring? So basing on that, you complete the 34th. Now regular, 35. Regular. Regularly we do some things, regularly, daily, which is very regular work which we do. Normally we do it. So what can we say? Can we say special, rare, common, or unusual? So basing on this, you can complete your answers and you can send it through WhatsApp. Okay children? So tomorrow join in your class so that we can discuss the answers.